I'm lifestyle and shopping expert Chassie Post, and if you're feeling a bit stressed finding the perfect gifts, no worries. I partnered with some of my favorite brands that will definitely bring the holiday cheer. Let's get something for the hardest workers we know, teachers. Papermate, part of the Newell brand's global portfolio of brands and the makers of teachers' favorite pins, is encouraging Americans to add teachers, current and past, to their holiday list this year. Now, one easy way to do that is with a handwritten note and a combination of Papermate Flair felt tip pins with a journal or planner to inspire an exciting new year. Or join the Papermate Thanks to Teachers initiative and donate to help fulfill a classroom wish list. Visit papermate.com for more. I love this unique and thoughtful gift box for anyone on your list. Build-A-Bear's Very Merry Christmas Heart Box. It's full of surprises like a Christmas cheer bear, mug wristy, teddy bear ornament, tumbler, hot chocolate, and comes beautifully packaged. Plus, I'm really loving this idea. You can personalize the custom plush bear by adding a pre-recorded message in the Record Your Voice feature. So thoughtful. It's available exclusively at buildabear.com. If you're looking for winter boots for the whole family that are as warm, comfy, and durable as they are chic, then you're gonna love Kamik boots. The Sienna 3 and Sierra styles are perfect for women and tween girls, and I just love that mommy and me look. They feature a combination of waterproof leather, fleece lining, and a stylish water-resistant upper. Sustainably made in North America, Kamik synthetic rubber bottom will keep your steps light and dry all day, and the lining keeps feet warm down to -4 degrees Fahrenheit. Find these styles and more at Kamik.com. Sonic fans and gamers, are you ready to experience Sonic like never before? I have the perfect gift. Sonic Frontiers. It features all new open zone platforming where Sonic sets off on a new journey in a mysterious land in search of the Chaos Emeralds. He'll battle hordes of powerful enemies and explore a breathtaking world of action, adventure, and mystery. It's available now for $59.99 on Nintendo Switch, PlayStation 4 and 5, Xbox Series X and S, Xbox One, and PC. Find out more by visiting frontiers.sonicthehedgehog.com. For more of everything I covered, just visit inthenews.tv. Happy holidays, everyone!